Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change keyboard background with your photo on Samsung M35 device. Well, changing the keyboard background with your photo gives you the flexibility to customize your device according to your mood, preferences, or current theme. You can switch background to match different occasions or express your creativity. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To customize your keyboard theme with your own photo, begin by installing the Gboard app from the Play Store. Once the app is installed, access the settings on your device. So, scroll down and select the General Management option. And within this menu, locate the keyboard list and default settings and enable the Gboard app by toggling the switch to the on position like this. Okay, next, navigate to the default keyboard section and set Gboard as your default keyboard. So, once the setup is successfully completed, display your keyboard and tap on the theme icon at the top of the keyboard interface. And click on the plus icon to add your own picture as the keyboard theme. So, adjust the size of your picture to fit the keyboard layout, then proceed by clicking next. Okay, after that, fine-tune the brightness settings as desired, then click done. Okay, within this customization page, you have the option to activate keyboarders or leave them off. Finally, click on Apply to apply your personalized photo theme to the Gboard keyboard. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change keyboard background with your photo on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.